is the final look of the Radha Krishna locket.
Now acrylic painting. This is very miniature painting, just 3 inches. This we are going to do a jewelry
This is the
style.
whole figure. This is completed acrylic painting in just 3 inches. We have finished it. Now next step, we are going to cut this in a fine shape and give a holes here and here. Then we will attach to a jewelry
Now
shape.
the last step is to apply varnish to get glossy and brightness to the painting for the long lasting. Now this is the final look of the Radha Krishna painting. Now we have attached to a
Final look of the Radha Krishna locket. Now it is completed. It is attached to the chain. Now it is done. Follow us for more tips.